Railigent, powered by MindSphere, is our open ecosystem for best-in-class railway applications, and it also forms the basis of our maintenance depot operating systems. Railigent is open for everyone. The integration of third-party applications from leading specialists in digitalized condition monitoring results in even more comprehensive asset management for our customers. Combining in-house and third-party applications enables more comprehensive asset management and improves maintenance operations, resulting in 100% availability for our customers. Having Siemens expertise in IoT and big data on the one side, with domain knowledge of Siemens mobility and our customers on the other, we are combining state-of-the-art technology with modern maintenance procedures, enabling our customers to solve issues quicker, more efficiently, and without delay. Siemens Mobility, moving beyond.